Spelling of brother. Brother is spelled as Brother. Brother. Bro plus thar. Like this. Actually, to remember the spelling of brother, you need to focus on the syllable that it has two syllables, this broth and r, brother. Okay, bru, brother, ther, you can say like this, broth, a, two syllable this word has. So let me help you to remember this word. Okay, my bro, we say hey bro, my bro is always there for me, just bro, and from there you need to just cut out this e and add with bro plus this ther, there, brother, my bro is always there, so just add this to highlighted part. So thanks for viewing this video. Again, brother, brother.